The Creality Filament Dryer Box X4 can hold multiple standard or large spools at once, making it a practical choice for anyone who runs long or frequent prints and wants their materials neatly organized in one place. Its dual heating chambers deliver strong, even warmth that drives out moisture much faster than typical single-chamber units, which noticeably reduces stringing, bubbles, and weak layer bonding in finished parts. The box doubles as a long-term storage solution, with a well-sealed enclosure that keeps humidity at bay between print sessions, so filament stays stable instead of slowly degrading on the shelf. A clear illuminated window lets you check how much filament is left without opening the lid, so you can monitor usage while preserving the controlled environment inside. The touch interface offers straightforward control over drying temperature ranges suited to common materials like polylactic acid and polyethylene terephthalate glycol, while also reaching higher settings that support more demanding engineering filaments. By keeping spools dry and ready, this dryer box helps protect your material investment, cuts down on failed prints, and delivers more consistent results across different projects.